Hi friends, in this video let us solve the system related question asked in GATE 2005 paper. The question is the function x of t is shown in figure. Even and odd parts of a unit step function are u of t are respectively. So what we have to do, we have given some x of t, we have to write even and odd parts of unit step in terms of x of t. So what is unit step? U of t, right? So it is written as it is unit step signal. What they are asking is even and odd in terms of this x of t. So what is even part? So x, let us assume x e of t, which is nothing but x of t plus x of minus t by 2. This is the even parts of any signal x of t. So for that u of t we have to find. So this is u of t. What is u of minus t? U of minus t is this one. Both are having the same magnitude 1. So what is xen of t? That is u of t plus u of minus t divided by 2. So this is u of t, this is u of minus t, right? And magnitude is divided by 2. So already magnitude is 1. So now it will become 1 by 2. So x even of t is 1 by 2. Fine. What about x odd of t? X odd of t formula is x of t minus x of minus t by 2. So x of t is, let us assume it is u of t, 1, 2. X of minus t is this one we know, but it is magnitude is reversed. So it is minus x. So magnitude should be divided by half. So it is 1 by half, this is minus 1 by half. Now you see this fellow is same as this x of t, but magnitude is half. So my even part is 1 by 2, odd part is this x of t by 2. This x of t is 1. For u of t, the even odd component is 1 by 2. So what we are going to do is this x of t should be divided by 2. So this is even part, this is odd part. So what is the answer? Option A is the right answer. Thank you.